How to use Trustwallet on PC. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to use Trustwallet on PC. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for Trustwallet and tap on the Trust option that appears. Now further download the application on your device by tapping on the download button. Wait for the download to complete, and once downloaded, launch the application by tapping on the open button. Once opened, log yourself in. If you want to create a new wallet, tap on the Create a New Wallet option, and if you want to add an existing wallet, then tap on the Add Existing Wallet option and add it further. So this is how you can use Trustwallet on PC. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.